Hey, I love sitting outside when I'm at restaurants, but how do you order? How do you order like an American? How do you order when you're here in the States and you're hungry? So here's an example of one. Excuse me, hi, I'm ready to order now. Yeah, I'll have your special, the fried catfish with corn on the cob and give me a biscuit as well on top of that, and I'd like a Coke too to drink. Um, yeah, that'll do it. I appreciate it. Thanks. American pastime. It's going out to eat. It's going out to eat with friends, and this is a perfect way for you to make friends, feel like you're in the community, and really get to know people, and work on your English as well and your accent by being around Native American, native English speakers. Okay, so going out, you're going to be at a restaurant, you're going to be either a fast food place or sit down restaurant where you order, and you'll use a few of these words to preface things. Excuse me, I'll have the pizza. I'd like the muffaletta. I'd like two hot dogs, nothing on it, and or give me two slices of pizza. No, I take that back. I'll have the whole pie. I'll have large pizza pie. Or you can say, can I have a hamburger and French fries? May I have the special for today? And so we see here, these are ways that you can order. Uh, give me two of the number threes to go. Give me this, give me that, and it's not rude to say that. That's just really how we speak over here in ordering. And so try those things. One of the things that you'll also notice is that notice how I'm using the contractions here. I'm not saying I will have the meatball sandwich, or I would like the spaghetti and meatball special that you'll have. I'll have the meatball sandwich. I'd like to order the bologna special for today, or the Subway sandwich. And so those things, there many times, they actually almost all the time they will use contractions. So give this a try. Go out and order today, even just as an experiment, and see how it goes. Try to use these words in your in today's activities.